Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy. So let's get started. Alright, I see here 4 twos, so let's begin with the 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for a 2 is here. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the second row, the only place for a 2 must be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then let me see, a 1 in this row, a 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for 1 should be there. Then a 3 in this row, a 3 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for a 3 is here. Then, yeah, then 2, 6, the 8, yeah. 9, 9, yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9, should be this one, the 9. And then yes, a 1 in this column, a 1 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for a 1 is here. 7, 8. Then can I do something with the 6? No. Eight and 6. Yes, this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6, should be this one. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for a 6 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. In the last row, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above, we have a 6 over there. So in this row, the only 2 places for a 6 is here and there. But I see here already a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then let me think. Think. 3, 5. Can do something with the 5. 5, 5. No. The 6 we have here. No. Yes, 5 in this row. 5 in the row be above. So in this row, the only place for a 5 should be there. 7, 8, and 9. 8 and 9. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 8, and 7. We have an 8 there, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8, should be here. 7 and 1, 7 and 1. Yes. This is also 7 and 1. In this row, 7 and 1. These 3 numbers in this column are the numbers 1, 7, and 3. 1, 7, and 3. I see here 1 and 7, so 1 digit left for the 3. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 1 goes there. Then 7, 7, 7. 8. 3. These 3 numbers are reserved for the 8, 4, and 5. 8, 4, and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have a pair in this big square. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 7, 8, and 9. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there, so the 7 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have a 7 in one of these boxes, 2 boxes. in the third column we have a 6, 7 over there. So in the column between, the only two places for a 7 is here and there. Remember that 7 and 7, yes. The same with the digit 6. We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the second column, the only two places for a 6 is here and there. So we have a pair, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. That means one box left in the second column for the number 8. Then two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Yes. In this big square, we have a 6 and a 7, 6 and 7, but also the 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 8, 9, and 3. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8, the only place for the 8 should be here. 7 and 6, 7 and 6, so these two must be 3 and 9. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9, 8, and 7. We have a 9 there, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 9, should be here. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. Here also in this row 8 and 7. Then two numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 4. 5 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there. And the 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for a 4 is here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Two numbers left in this row, the middle row, for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in the last column for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here. The 7 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row the only two places for a 5 is here and there, but I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Two numbers left in the third row for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. One number left of this big square for the number 6. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for a 6 is here. 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 1, 8, and 7. I see here 1 and a 7, so 1 digit left for the 8. So here 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Then 2 numbers left of this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 3, I believe. Yes, 8 and 3. I cannot finish it with the 8 and 3 here, so I need to wait. These 2 numbers then, the middle column for the numbers 3 and 9. Yes, 3 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 3 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 3 goes here. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and 8 goes here. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Oh, finish in 16 minutes. Alright, people. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time. Because we have more Sudokus, but I will do first the regular Sudokus. So until then, see you tomorrow on Saturday. Thank you and bye-bye.